Hi guys, let's solve the following problem on a number system. So the scenario goes as follows. It says if x belongs to the set of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, write down a value of x such that this expression becomes undefined, rational, and irrational. Before we continue, let's quickly define the different types of numbers, starting with undefined. An undefined number is any fraction a over b where b has to be equals to 0. A rational number is any number of the form a over b where b cannot be equals to 0. An irrational number is any number that is not a fraction. So for the first question 1.1, let's find values of x such that k becomes undefined. So we need to try and find a number that would make the denominator 0. So if we take 4, you'll see that if you substitute 4 in the place of x, the denominator becomes 0, and 9 divided by 0 is undefined. So this becomes undefined when x is equals to 4. So for the first case, x is equals to 4. Let's see what happens when x is equals to 3. So if you substitute 3 in the place of x, you get the square root of 9 over 1, which is equals to the square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is 3, and 3 can be written as 3 over 1, and this here is a rational number. So it means that when x is equals to 3, k becomes rational. So we can put this under rational. So here x is to be equals to 3. So what happens when x is equals to 2? So when x is equals to 2, we get square root of 9 over 2, which is equals to 3 over root 2, and this root 2 is irrational, because if you take square root of 2 on the calculator, you get a non-terminating decimal. So therefore the whole expression becomes irrational. So when x is equals to 2, k becomes irrational. Let's see what happens when x is 1. So when x is 1, we get square root of 9 over 3. This gives us 9 over 3. This gives us square root of 3, and thereby making k irrational, because here we have a radical. If you take a radical in the calculator, you'll see it gives you a non-terminating decimal. It can be written as a fraction. So it means when x is equals to 1, k becomes irrational. So it means we can put x is equals to 1 there. And let's see what happens when x is equals to 0. So when x is equals to 0, we get square root of 9 over 4. This is 3 over 2, which is rational. So when x is equals to 0, k becomes rational. So it means we can put x is equals to 0 by the rational side. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.